Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Fiona and I'm a full-time artist. And on this channel, I like to take you with me on my artistic journey, whether that means working on projects here in my studio, going out to see art exhibits, buying art supplies and sharing my haul with you, basically any art-related content. So if that sounds like something you're into, please like and subscribe. It's one free click for you, but makes a big difference for my channel, and I would really appreciate it. So today we're back with part 3 of my holiday series, just getting ready for my holiday shop launch, which is happening this week on Friday, which is Black Friday, November 29th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're interested in shopping it, I'll have a link in Friday's video. I'll also be posting about it on Instagram, Facebook. It'll be going out in my newsletter. So you can always follow me on those platforms or sign up for my newsletter via my homepage on my website. Stay tuned for that, and I hope you enjoy this process video. Let's get into it. Good morning, friends. We are going to start glazing today. At this moment, we're still finishing up a bit of the clay. We have some things on molds that we're taking off, fixing up. I'm gonna get set up to start glazing, and the first thing I'm gonna glaze is ornaments. So that's the first task today. Okay, as I yawn. Okay, so I am still here working on ornaments. It's now dark outside, but our kiln has cooled down, so we are going to open that now and see how the rest of the ornaments look. And I think there were earrings and a whole host of other things in there. So let's go open the kiln. Okie doke. We propped this open to let some of the heat out. It's at a cool 104 at the moment. But let's open. Ooh, can feel the heat. More ornaments and earrings. I think I'm really excited about these bloom ornaments. Haven't done this shape before. I think they're gonna be really cute. But yeah, let's empty it out. We have a box and we're gonna put the ornaments in it so we can bring it upstairs. Yay! It looks like there's some cracks actually in the earrings. Really? Yeah, there's a bunch cracked.
No, shoot.
Oh no.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. So I don't know if you'll be able to see because it's so dark here, but a bunch of these have hairline fractures on them. So a bunch of these are no good, unfortunately. Oh, that's a bummer. Man, I spent so much time on those. So these are all trash. Those two. Mm-hmm. Man, that's a lot. Okay, so successful for the votives. All of them look great. tons of ornaments and ring dishes, tripod dish, and brush holders. Unfortunately, the earrings were not successful. We had more casualties than successes for those. For now, I'm going to keep glazing, and I will give you an update on my glazing later. The kiln has been opened. Some more earrings, who have also cracked. Ugh, these earrings did not fare well. Ugh, what the heck? All right, here is the full assortment here of what came out of the kiln. So we have 2 platters. We have a hexagon one and a rectangular one. We have a lot of these cute little dishes, which this is new for us. Mom doesn't normally make ones this size. It's just sort of like a larger version of the ring dishes, so very cute. We have these little spoon rests, which I think are adorable, and that was a request from some of y'all online. Multiple people have been asking for spoon rests, so wish granted. We have leggy dish, as well as 2 more in the porcelain over there. This is a stoneware. We try to keep them upside down before they're glazed fired, just because it is very fragile still. And then we have lots of mugs. So we have stoneware with handles. These are all going to be in color. And then we have the handleless ones with the thumbprint. And then this time we also made tumblers. And then we have earrings. Now, we have not been super successful with earrings. A lot of them are like, see these little hairline fractures? So these are likely, yeah, well, not likely. These are just not gonna go in the shop. Like, that's not, like, I would not sell that. That's not usable. But some of them are okay. So like the bloom ones are okay. There's a few of the hexagon ones that are okay. I'm gonna go through and figure that out, like throw out the ones that are no good and keep the ones that are still okay. We might buy more clay and try to do more earrings, but for now, I'm gonna glaze what we have, and then we'll see where we are with the assortment. Yeah, other than that, I mean, everything else was good. All the handles are good, no cracks or anything. Everything is looking really solid. Plenty of more work to do. Good morning, friends. It's a new day here. Zelda's saying good morning as well. Let me show you what I did yesterday. So this is gonna be a black and white spoon rest. These are all black and white, by the way. I was like on a black and white kick yesterday. So this is one of the saucers. I did 2 tumblers, one all small marks, one with like the twinkle mark. So two tumblers. Picking up the saucer again. So I had one with sort of medium marks and one with a little bit larger. So I'm trying to vary my marks. I'm also starting to wonder, my initial idea of like covering as much as I can as possible in my marks if I need to add more variety, because I don't know if on my display that's gonna look like a lot. And the tripod dishy. So that's what I did yesterday on top of one of the planters. So that's already been clear coated, and it's actually in a glaze firing. So yesterday my mom loaded up the kiln for a glaze firing. So round 1 of that is underway. What's kind of frustrating is since we use like several different clays, they don't exactly, like they can't be fired in the same glaze firing, if that makes sense. So everything's kind of divided in half between like a medium faster fire and like a slow long fire. So anyway, it should be okay. Today was the medium fire, so, well, we loaded up yesterday, so we should be able to empty it today. And I will show you that because it's always exciting doing a kiln unloading. All right, here we go.
Look at this. Carry on.
Oh my.
Tons of them. Oh.
This is a mess. Oh my, look! So many of them fell.
Yep.
Scheiße.
And stuck together too, and I always put like a few of them on.
Oh, this is not good. This is
round up the whole thing.
stuck.
Yeah.
Well, you have a planter, and it looks like none of the ornaments hit it. Ooh, ooh. Wow, so colorful. They're really cute. Oh, look at them. They're so colorful.
Yeah.
The colors came out really nice. This came out nice. It's almost like a bit of a gradient on that. That's kind of nice on that lilac. And then, so this is the black and white in the stoneware, so it's not like that porcelain, but let us know what you think in the comments. Do we like it? It's kind of like an off-white as opposed to a pure white porcelain. More brush holders. Let me see.
Yellow.
Cute. They're really cute. Like when you see them all together, right?
Yeah.
Like they're just really sweet. I don't know. They're making me really happy. What happened to this one? Why is that one?
I don't know.
No, you used that must be mint and that's turquoise. That's what happened. Hilariously, it's the thing I spent the least amount of time on. Isn't that the way? So overall, it was a successful firing. It's just, yeah, earrings and ornaments this time. I don't know, it might be the wire that we're using in these things because everything else is coming out okay. We had one crack in one of the platters, which it did have a hairline fracture beforehand, which we did do a bisque fix on, but it didn't pan out, which is okay. And then one little ring dish has like a little mark in it. So anyway, I'm heading off to San Francisco, so I'm gonna pick up vlogging when I'm back, and we'll continue the holiday shop journey then. Until then, stay well and stay inspired, my friends.